October 2nd, 2025, Phoenix, Arizona, near the intersection of 7th Street and Sunland Avenue. What began as a call for help is about to escalate beyond anyone's control. To understand how a quiet morning turned into a life-altering confrontation, we must look at the moments leading up to the first officer's arrival.
Phoenix 911, where is the emergency?
6th Street. Okay, what's the emergency? Do you need police, fire, medical?
I need police here. I came because I dropped my daughter off with my mom before I go to work, and my dad's here, and he's having a scene, and he's being suicidal, and he has a knife. So I don't want to leave my daughter here while he's here, and I need them to come and take
like
them.
He's
my
trying to kill himself with the knife?
Yes, and his parents are passed away, and he's saying that he's ready to go with them. But he did say that he's going to charge at the police, but he doesn't have a weapon on him.
He's no longer holding knife?
No longer a weapon in his hand, but he is saying that he's not going down without a fight.
Armed with the limited information from dispatch, officers arrive on the scene. In these high-stress environments, every second counts, and every word from the caller is being weighed against the unfolding reality.
Okay, so what's this deal?
Well, I just came to drop off my daughter before I go to work, but I seen them in the living room just sitting there, and I guess he's just being suicidal and acting a fool, and they want him gone. Why not?
This one right here?
Right here.
He has a knife.
He has a knife.
He has a knife.
Has he ever done this in the past?
He has a violent past, but it's been years since he's acted up. So this
But he's
is
never going to commit suicide, you know.
So he lives here?
He lives here, yeah, because all his parents are passing. Yeah, so he's the father of my kids. So
He's the father of
my kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you live here too?
Yeah, I live here.
Okay.
This is our house. He lives with us.
Okay.
So we got up this morning and I kept, trying to.
Come on! Hey! Come on! Come on! Kill me! Get down! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
I want to die. Kill me.
Get on the ground!
No, I'm not getting on the ground.
Get on the ground.
I'm not getting on the
Don't move! You gotta put the knife down!
No,
Don't move!
Knife down.
Do not move! You will get shot! Put the knife down! Do not move! Put the knife down!
No.
Put it there.
Put it down! Don't move! Stop moving!
Stop moving.
Stop moving! All right, he's down, he's down, he's down!
A second perspective reveals the tactical challenges of the scene. From this angle, we see how quickly the situation reaches a breaking point, leaving no room for hesitation.
Get down.
Kill me.
Get down.
Hey, I'm gonna get my 40 here.
Put the knife down. Someone has guns. Get down. Put the knife down.
No.
Get down. Get down. I'm out here. He's down. Hey, hold right there.
The third camera provides a wider view of the coordinated response. As multiple officers move in, the focus shifts to containment and the desperate attempt to prevent a tragic outcome.
Get down. Get down. Hey, I'm out here. He's down. Hey, hold right there.
The knife recovered at the scene stands as a silent witness to a tragic reality. Many viewers often wonder why lethal force is used while a suspect still appears to be at a distance. To understand this, we must look at the 21-foot rule. While a camera lens can distort depth perception, the reality on the ground is much more lethal. An individual armed with an edged weapon can close a 21-foot gap in approximately 1.5 seconds. This is faster than the human brain can process a threat, draw a weapon, and fire. This brings us to the legal framework established by the Supreme Court in the case of Graham versus Connor. The law states that an officer's actions must be judged through the lens of a reasonable officer on the scene, facing a rapidly evolving situation, rather than with the benefit of 20/20 hindsight. When the subject charged with his weapon raised, the reactionary gap was closed instantly, leaving the officers with no other choice to protect their own lives. At Blue Line Raw, we provide these deep dives to foster a better understanding of the impossible weight of these decisions. These incidents are complex intersections of mental health, law, and human survival. If you value this commitment to transparency and legal analysis, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Your support allows us to keep bringing the truth behind the badge to light. What are your thoughts on the application of the 21-foot rule in this specific case? Let us know in the comments below. As a final reminder, all subjects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thank you for watching.